to Old Farts Abroad. Here we are. I'm Anne. That's Roman. We're going to try our first vending machine. So, we have coffee with arginine. I think that might be some sort of yogurt, lactic drink, soda. Yes, but with soda in it. So which one are you going for, Roman? Right. So, awaken your inner power, unleash your true potential. The button has been pushed. Now, we've not done this before, so hang on. There we go. I'm hoping that works. Working? Yes, I know. Just ordinary tap doesn't work, so we're going to put some cash in. Now, you've got some cash, so let's try that. Right, so we've got our cash. We've just cracked some after breakfast. He's making sure it's real. Yeah, that's 190. We've put 1,000 yen in. Press the button. Oh, we have action. We've got some coins. Right. What have you got? I'll step down. Show us the can. Now, is that hot or cold?
Cold.
Cold. Alright, crack it.
Mine is blue.
It's caffeine. Oh, it's so sweet. Oh,
typical energy drink.
Yeah, it's like your mother or your don't give Renata one. That's all I'm saying, because we know what happens when Renata has one. So there we are. We have attempted our first vending machine, and we have survived. Now we're going to run around town with our energy drink. Break our knees.